Hey everybody, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome once again to another video on the channel, and today we have a lot to talk about. As you guys can see, the stock market is experiencing quite a little bit of a dip today. But before you jump into the stock portfolio for today and I give you guys a quick little update on how things are going, I'm going to jump into my YouTube analytics because a couple days ago, about a week ago, the channel finally reached 2,000 subscribers. I just want to say a big thank you to everybody, and I know I promised you guys I was going to do an update on my YouTube earnings and I just haven't got around to doing it. So what I'm going to do is towards the end of the month, I'm going to do like a big thorough update and maybe showcase you guys like maybe a complete income type report type thing. But in today's video, I'm just going to do like a quick little update and show you guys how the YouTube channel has been doing, since I know I promised I've been doing that. I just haven't gotten around to do that. So we're going to cover that really quickly. I'll show you guys how much the YouTube channel is earning really quickly, and then after that we'll go over to the stock portfolio and I'll talk about what's happening in the stock portfolio the past couple days. Alright guys, so here's my YouTube dashboard. As you guys can see, we're currently sitting at 2,016 subscribers. We have about, in the past 28 days, we're averaging about 12, I think we got about 12.7k views, 1.1k watch time, 178 subscribers, and $123 in ad revenue in the past 28 days. If we break this down on a monthly basis, we'll go to the revenue tab here, and this will give us a little bit more information. I'll talk about some things that have been going on really quickly here. So our first month on the YouTube channel, in May, we made $18. And keep in mind, this is just ad revenue, guys. I'm not going to talk about the affiliate income in this video because I got a bunch of calculations and adding up to do. But I've started doing affiliate marketing on the channel about 2 to 3 months ago, and that's mostly just Wealthsimple referrals and stuff like that. And they've done quite well actually, and they've definitely boosted up the income. So keep in mind, I'm not going to include that in this little update, but that stuff does, I will include it at the end of the month kind of thing. But in May we made $18 on the channel. We got kind of monetized towards the end of the month. In June we made $86, so a nice little increase there. In July we made $125, and in August we made $141. So you can see that slow little increase. And in September right now we're currently sitting at $92, and it's about September 20th. I guess it's the 21st today, but we haven't recorded the 20th, so that's like 19 days in the month so far. We're sitting at that, so we might hit a little bit higher than 141. I think if I keep on a regular video publishing schedule, I might be able to hit 200 this month. It's going to be pretty close. But this month, the interesting thing is that CPM rates have really gone up over the past little while. If we click on CPMs here, you can see that I'm just gonna go lifetime here so you guys can actually see like the full growth of the channel. But you can see that CPM rates have actually gone up quite a bit over the past, like I'd say like beginning of September. We've been getting pretty high CPMs on the channel, and that's really helped kind of boost the earnings up, especially since the views have kind of dropped down a little bit. And I think that's because people are going back to school and stuff like that. So but they're kind of starting to kind of kick up again. So I think it's like that combination of the channel just keeps growing, and now that people are going back to school and they're a little bit more busier and stuff like that, obviously we got a premature boost in views at the start of the year when the pandemic happened, and now we're kind of leveling off. But since the channel is growing, it's kind of maintaining that, and well, slowly over time, as long as I keep a consistent schedule and I keep doing updates, should grow over time. And again, once again, here's the total ad revenue on the channel, $462, and you can see that it's been a slow increase, but you know, as I publish more videos, as I be more consistent, it's just kind of been that slow growth over time, and that's really all I care about. As long as the channel is growing and you guys keep showing up, I'm going to keep doing these videos. And the top videos of all time on this channel are my Wealthsimple review. That's my #1 video at $42. My 15 Canadian dividend stocks video made me $40. My top 3 Canadian undervalued dividend stocks made me $20. And then my other Wealthsimple review, and then my Milo review, oddly enough, is those are my top videos so far when it comes to ad revenue. So I hope that kind of like showed you guys an idea of how the channel has been doing. Not tremendous growth, but definitely you know, a slow increase over time. And the affiliate income probably adds a little bit extra, a couple $100 a month. So just kind of keep that in mind. You know, and that's something I've just started doing. So the channel is growing. It's slowly, it's steady, but it's definitely getting there. So hope you guys enjoyed that little update on the channel. Let's jump into the stock portfolio and let's see how our stocks are doing for today. Alright guys, so here's the stock portfolio. We're currently sitting at $5,592, so just under $5,600 in the portfolio. And the past couple days, the past week or so, has been pretty brutal to us in the stock market. You can see in the last day we are currently down about -2% in one day. So that was a pretty big drop overall. We'll see towards the end of today if it kind of levels off. It probably will to some degree, but we'll just have to wait and see. Over the past week or so, as my cat kind of comes up here on my desk, I don't know if you guys can see that, but over the past week or so, we were down at negative 3%, 3.24%. That's $187, so some pretty big dips overall. In the past month, once again, negative 3.79%, and over the course of 3 months, it's almost kind of leveled off. So a lot of those gains we got in the past 3 months have kind of, those kind of gains we got are kind of like dropping back down, which is fine because this means that we can buy stocks at a cheaper price. I want these dips because the more dips we have, the more decreases in stock prices, the more money we can make in the future, right? And that's kind of the way I'm looking at this. And all time, the portfolio was down 2.59%. So that's been a pretty significant drop. We were sitting about plus a little bit to about hovering around 0%. And like I said, in the past day, we just dropped down quite a bit here. And the portfolio is predominantly Canadian stocks. It's like half Canadian, half US. I'm eventually trying to get it to be half US kind of thing, but we don't quite have that much US. It's still predominantly Canadian stocks. And today I don't have tons of money to buy, unfortunately, because we're waiting for a transfer to go through. So I'm hoping this money will go through tomorrow, and then hopefully the stock market will maybe even crash more tomorrow, and then we can actually put more money into the stocks. But we have $21 today, which I know isn't a lot, but it's still enough to buy something. So I think today we're going to be buying a share of Manulife, because Manulife is a really solid stock for me. It's also one of the cheaper ones we can actually buy with $25. And it's currently standing about $18, and it's negative 4% today. That's huge. That's a huge drop. And Manulife stock is a great dividend stock. It's a great finance stock. So I think I'm going to buy one share with the money we have right now. And by the way, guys, I'm probably going to be doing a dividend portfolio update, the dividend investing case study update tomorrow, or probably tomorrow or the next day, where I do a more thorough update on everything. And I might do like a deep dive analysis and check out some of these each individual stocks to make like a nice long video, and we can really dive into the portfolio. I haven't done one of those for a while, so I'm thinking about doing that maybe possibly tomorrow or the next day. So keep an eye open for that. And when it comes to the REIT, we'll check the REIT portfolio really quickly here. Our REITs are currently sitting at about $3,829, and they're down 3% in the past month. Over the past day, they are once again down 2%. They might kind of climb up a little bit towards the end of the day, but they're down quite a bit too. And then all time, the REIT portfolio is down negative 1.76%. So it's not down as much as the dividend portfolio, but it's definitely taking a bit of a hit and in the red so far, and we don't have too much money coming into the REIT portfolio right now. I've been putting less and less money, but we are waiting on a transfer for $25, so we will stick that in probably tomorrow or the next day, and once again I'll do a video on that. Last but not least, I just want to do a quick big thank you to everybody who used my referral links in the description of this video. If you guys look, there's a referral link for Wealth Simple Trade. If you guys sign up, you get $10 for free in your portfolio, and I get $10 for free. And so far I've had over 1,020 dollars in referrals, and I'm just that's absolutely crazy, guys. I guess that's like over 100 referrals if you think about it, or something like that. So big thanks to everybody who uses my link, and once again that link will be there if you guys want to check that out. This is another way this channel has been making me money, so that's really helped out to kind of make the earnings up, because the ad revenue is good, but you need a lot of views to make a lot of money with ad revenue. So but over time it should climb up. And if we look at dividends really quickly, guys, I'll just cover dividends really quickly. I don't think we have any new dividends on the portfolio, but of course they will be coming in over the next couple days, since it is the 21st of September, and also some of the big ETFs we have will start declaring dividends. So we'll look forward to all those nice juicy dividends coming up towards the end of the month. And once again, towards the end of the month, I will do a thorough entire portfolio update, since there's a lot of stuff going on right now. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to the channel if you guys want more Canadian based investing content. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later.